Hello guys, what's up once again? Palaboy OFW here. So for today's vlog mga idol, magre-react lang tayo sa viral na post ng isang policewoman no, na PSG na kasama ni PRRD nung sinerve yung warrant of arrest galing ng ICC. Nakasama nila Tore yung mga PSG doon ay nag-resign na. So viral ngayon yung post niya ng mensahe niya no para sa mamamayang Pilipino. Personal message na to mga lods And babasahin lang natin kasi viral to ngayon at nakakaiyak yung yung post na ito, no? So basahin natin mga lods yung post niya mula sa kanyang Facebook page. Ito yung babae na no, ito yung umiiyak habang hinuhuli si ex-president Rodrigo Duterte papuntang Hague sa the Netherlands. Ito yung time na yun. Then, yun nga, nag-resign na siya. Basahin natin yung post niya mga lods. Sabi niya rito, becoming a police officer was never my original aspiration. But in time, I felt a higher calling that guided me toward this path. God led me to it, despite my family's initial objections. They ultimately chose to accept and support my decision. I embraced the profession with deep love and patriotism, enduring its many challenges. Sleepless nights, being separated from loved ones, enduring insults, backstabbing, and character assassination from colleagues, as well as the isolation I faced during special occasions, all of which tested my resolve. I went beyond what was required of an ordinary police officer. The words of Lupang Hinirang, ang mamatayin ng dahil sa'yo. The PNP hymn, ihandog ang iisang buhay, and the PSG pledge when it becomes necessary, that I have to make the ultimate sacrifice, then let it be so. Resonated deeply with me. These lines were personal, and there were times when the weight of their meaning brought me to tears. I truly love my job. However, over time that love has begun to fade. The value I once found in it no longer holds the same weight. And so, I decided that, much like in any relationship, it may be the best to part ways while there is still some respect left. I may not know where life will take me next, but I do know that I live with my dignity intact. To my brothers and sisters in arms, I pray for God's protection and guidance as you continue in this profession. We all have our own stories and experiences within our organizations, but my journey here has come to an end. To those who, like me, have chosen to live, I pray for your success. I trust that your decisions are the results of careful consideration and reflection. I am deeply grateful to the Philippine National Police and Presidential Security Group, now Presidential Security Command, particularly to my commanders, mentors, trainers, classmates, buddies, seniors, and juniors. I will continue to pray for each of you. Serving in this capacity has been a noble and enriching experience, one for which I will always be thankful and honored. I will forever be a proud Magliyab, Kaagapay, Defenders, and Praetorians with a heavy and grateful heart. Thank you and goodbye. Ayun. Ayun yung resignation message niya para sa mga kababayan nating OFW, para sa kababayan nating mga Pilipino at sa mga colleagues niya sa kapulisan ng mga lobby sa PSG. So, nakakaiyak at nakakadurog to na para sa kanya. Kasi nakita ko sa picture na siguro taga Davao to, Bisaya. Kaya talagang malambot si Madam. Pero proud of you Madam dahil mas pinili mo yung peace kaysa sa kaguluhan ng damdamin mo at isipan para sa bayan. At meron pa rito isa siyang post na sinasabi rito is wearing the badge during PRR this time. has been the proudest days of my careers. So yung time pa ng panahon ni PRRD na bilang pangulo, yung commander-in-chief niya, ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay niya bilang isang pulis or sundalo ng Pilipinas. So proud to you, Madam Jingjing, mabuhay ka, and mas pinili mo yung kapayapaan sa puso mo kaysa harapin yung mission mo na labag sa kalooban mo na alam mong may mali sa nangyayari. So, yun lang bilang isang OFW, mahanga ako sa iyo at tama yung naging desisyon mo. Sana mapagtagumpayan mo ang next journey mo sa buhay. Yun lang po. Alright.